In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva to create an eye-catching magazine cover. Whether you're designing for a school project, a digital publication, or just for fun, Canva provides a user-friendly platform that can help you unleash your creativity without needing to master complicated design software. Let's dive right in and explore the straightforward process to get your magazine cover designed efficiently. First things first, you'll need to head over to your Canva homepage. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure you're signed into your account. Canva is an online tool that keeps all your designs saved with your profile, so logging in is essential for accessing all your creative projects and ensuring you don't lose your work. Once you're on your home page, you'll notice a prominent search bar positioned conveniently in the middle. This is your gateway to a world of templates and design possibilities. Simply click on this search bar and type in magazine cover. Press enter and watch as Canva automatically pulls up a dazzling array of magazine cover templates at your disposal. This is where the magic begins. Canva's extensive library offers templates across various styles, genres, and themes, so you're bound to find something that aligns with your vision. Take a moment to browse through them. Each template is fully customizable, which means you can tweak everything from the colors and fonts to the images and layout to suit your specific needs. Once you've chosen a template that catches your eye, click on it to begin editing. Canva's intuitive drag and drop interface makes it super simple to modify elements to your liking. You can add new text, change background colors, insert different images, and even adjust the layout. If you're unsure about font pairings or color schemes, Canva automatically suggests options that complement each other, helping you maintain a professional-looking design effortlessly. Now remember to save your work frequently. Although Canva has an auto-save feature, it's always a good habit to save manually as you make significant changes. You'll see a download button at the top corner of the screen once you're satisfied with your design. Click on it to select the desired file format. Whether you need a high-quality download for print or a digital file for sharing online, Canva provides multiple options to fit your requirements. And there you have it. You've just created a stunning magazine cover using Canva. Utilizing its pre-made templates and user-friendly tools, even beginners can produce professional quality designs with ease. Canva continuously updates its template library, so you'll always find fresh inspiration waiting. Plus, the more you use Canva, the more personalized your toolkit becomes, making future projects easier and even more enjoyable. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel empowered to explore Canva's vast possibilities. Remember, with a bit of imagination and a few clicks, you can bring any of your design ideas to life. Happy designing!